We are always being reminded about right motivation when learning and practicing Dharma. I think I have the right motivation, which is to practice for being rich, healthy, having a smooth life, making everyone adore me, and having all my wishes come true. Isn't this the right motivation? How do we develop right motivation?
To have the right motivation, first we need to develop the thought of renunciation towards the whole samsara. This is very important because Lord Buddha has given enormous amount of teachings in order to suit the different mentalities or in order to lead the sentient beings from suffering and dissatisfaction to temporary and ultimate happiness. So the purpose of all these teachings given by Buddha is to gain liberation and to attain enlightenment state by the followers. Buddha has never given any teaching just to remain in the samsara, or Buddha has never given any teaching which is only meant for this life or which is only meant to gain higher rebirth in the next life. So in short, Buddha has never given any teaching just to gain a result which are within this samsara. So Buddha has given the teaching in order to liberate us or the followers from the samsara. And if we as a follower just practice Dharma to gain mundane results, just like long life, good health, prosperous in this life alone, or just to gain higher rebirth, then it means our motive or our goal or our purpose of practicing Dharma and Buddha's wish is not the same. Buddha has given teaching for us to gain liberation, but if we practice Dharma for the result, for the mundane result which is within the samsara, then it means our wish is against the Buddha's wish. Our motive is against the Buddha's wish. So therefore, we as a Buddha's follower, we must practice or do Dharma actions with the thought of renunciation towards the whole samsara. So in short, those who don't wish to gain liberation from the samsara, those who really want to stay in this samsara forever, then such person will not become a Buddhist or Buddha's followers. So therefore, the thought of renunciation is very important for all of us as a Buddhist to develop. It is said in the teaching, it is too good to use the precious and profound Dharma for this life alone. It is too good to use this in the secret teachings of Lord Buddha for higher rebirth alone. So therefore, first and foremost, we must have the thought of renunciation towards the whole samsara.